Hi Sam family, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to give me a like and click the notification bell for more video. Like you guys already know, I have my meat on the sink. We're making bouillon, Haitian bouillon. So you guys already know how I clean my meat. So let's get started, baby. Let's get started, get started, get started. God bless you all. So what I do next, I use the hot water from the sink. So next we're going to use Haitian coffee. So if you guys want to know how to do it, let me know. I will make a video about that, okay? Thank you. And next, this is my special seasoning. You guys already know how to make it. If you guys want to buy some too, please let me know. Gotcha. So now I'm putting my meat with no water. So you guys don't need to put no water in there. Just the seasoning and the meat and let them boil for like 15 minutes before you add water to it. Please, no water. So now you guys can add water to it, okay? So you let all the seasoning get on the meat, especially if you're making that bouillon the same day you clean the meat, you gotta let that seasoning get on the meat. So when you put it in there and you let it sit with the seasoning, cook with the seasoning only, it's gonna get inside of that meat. That's all the vegetable I'm putting in there. So now I'm putting my coconut milk. I love to put coconut milk in there because it make it taste so good. Guys, when I tell you it'll be good, trust me, there's no bouillon without coconut milk. It make it taste so good. Trust me, try that recipe, guys. You guys gonna love it. So now I'm going to use the flour to make that, but I don't know the name for it. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to help. Please, guys, my Asian people, write it down on the comment section below for me, please. The name for it, so you guys can know. Thank you. Your sister's still learning, baby. Then for this part, you guys can add it now or you add it when you put the water, because we're about to put water in there too. So either you do it now or you do it after you put the water. It's fine, but me, I like to do mine like this, so I do it like that. Then for that part, guys, my pan was too small. I have to switch it to a bigger one. So because you have to put a lot of water in there. So let's keep going, baby. Then for that part, if you guys don't wanna put any pepper on it, it's okay. It will be still good, baby. I just like to do that because of the smell, the taste, so I put some in there. Look at that, guys. This is so good, baby. Trust me. Now, let's taste that bouillon, baby. I can't wait, guys. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's so good.
Oh,
And
special
there's
good. What kind of
meat
words is that?
that I have. You crabs.
Oh my God,
Crabs.
you like the
is
crabs.
Good. And something, whatever. And some corn.
Okay.